Yo, what's up guys? In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to install a strut tower brace on your Mustang. But this can be done on basically any car, but for this video specifically we're going to be doing it on the Mustang. I got this strut brace a while back from American Muscle. I don't think they sell this one anymore, but the install is basically the same with every single one. All you're going to need is a 13mm socket, a ratchet. You don't really need the extension, but I just the one on here. Basically it's pretty easy. All you do for this is you unbolt the bolts on these strut towers, just the two of them for this one. A lot of the braces have all four, but on this one it only uses two. So we just unbolt them on both sides, over here and over there. Put this on and bolt it back together. So let's do that right now, and I'll catch you afterwards. Alright, so I've now installed the brace. At this point you could use a torque wrench and torque down those bolts to about 20 to 25 foot-pounds. I don't know the exact torque spec that they have, but my torque wrench that doesn't go that low, so I'm going to be just hand tightening them. But if you have the possibility to torque them down, that's the safest way. And just doing that, make sure they're hand tight so they don't move. It should be good enough. And I don't know if this is like a thing a lot of people do, but whenever I do torque this down, and whenever I do bolt this down and I make sure they're tight, I just go and I crisscross the pattern. So this bolt here, that bolt over there, then the next one, then this one down here. And there you go. You've now installed your own strut tower brace. This specific one is by SR Performance. They don't make this anymore. Well, they don't sell this anymore on American Muscle. This one is made for the GT, but apparently it does work for the V6, which, as you can see on my V6, it does work. There's a lot of people who would say that a strut tower brace is just for looks, but that's not the case. This thing helps strengthen the front suspension, and especially on the V6 you can feel the difference with a brace when you are driving down the road. So I would highly recommend to get this if your car does not already have one. And yeah, that's pretty much the end of this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. If this video helped you out in any way, or if you just enjoyed to watch it, or if you would like to support me, hit the like button down below and subscribe. And if you want, follow me as well on Instagram at GarageX, and I'll catch you all in the next one. See ya.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta